He is interested in making money and nothing else. Yes, I am interested in making money. Again, my book is called How to Make It in the Music Business, not How to Make It as a Starving Artist. I haven't been spending as much time making these videos about the music business lately, but I do check the YouTube and I respond to comments. I try to respond to people's feedback about the book. Thanks everybody for their support with this book project. It's been a success. The book has been on the bestsellers list in the music business category. I see my book on Amazon every day next to some really great people, and it's an honor to be an author. My first book is actually selling well. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from the book, but today I just noticed that I got some feedback from somebody today on Audible. They left a comment and it said, "The worst qualities." The title, it was from a guy named David Hearn. Shout out to David Hearn. He bought my book. He bought the audio book. Or maybe he got it free because you can get it for free on Audible if you sign up to a free trial. So this guy, David Hearn, he left a comment a couple weeks ago, August 23rd, 2019, and the title of his comment is "The Worst Qualities of the Music Business." First of all, when you say the worst, you're automatically coming from an opinionated, subjective standpoint. What one person thinks is the worst, what another person thinks is the best. I don't know what the best qualities of the music business is, other than being successful, making good music, leaving a lasting impression on the world. I don't know where this guy's coming from with that alone. And then he says, his first sentence is, "This guy is a thug." He called me a thug. He said, "A rich thug." And he said, "I'll give you, but I'm still a thug." So I'm a thug. I don't get where this guy's going. What he's promoting is the worst qualities of the music business today. In encouraging artists to copy and plagiarize others' work, it diminishes the creative aspect of the music business and does not add to the substance of the universe at all. So now this guy's want to talk about the universe and shit. He wants to talk about space and the universe. Like, it's like saying, oh, you copied a magazine, like, because one magazine is the source and the other one is XXL. So you're trying to say XXL copied off the source because they're a magazine. That's like saying Toyota copied off a Honda because they both make cars. I don't know what this guy's talking about, encouraging other people to copy. Copy is part of the world. I mean, if you go on your computer, it's a shit called copy and paste. I mean, copying happens. They make copy machines, Xerox. I mean, I encourage artists to copy. I don't encourage anyone to copy and plagiarize. I don't never remember encouraging anyone to copy. If you know anything about the music business, you know that a song cannot be monopolized. You can't monopolize in America, and that goes for songs and music too. So people have the right to remake people's songs, but I don't never encourage people to plagiarize people's shit. I never spoke about that in my book. And I think some of the points that I'm trying to make may have went over this guy's head. He may be misinterpreting some of the things I'm saying in the book. He is interested in making money and nothing else. It's called How to Make It in the Music Business. It's a business. You're trying to make money. If you're not trying to make any money, what are you doing it for? I know a lot of people that make music and they're broke. My book is about teaching you. My book is called How to Make Music. It's called How to Make It in the Music Business. So of course I'm talking about making money. Everybody's interested in making money. I don't know anybody that's not interested in making money. He is interested in making money and nothing else. And first of all, how do you know what I'm interested in, David Hearn? You know, that's a bad quality to be speaking for another man. You don't know what I'm interested in. I can't say what another man is interested in. How could you actually say he is interested in making? It's like, you don't live with me, you don't know me, you're not my family member. How do you really know what the fuck I'm interested in, David Hearn? he is interested in making. That's a bitch quality, if you ask me. To be talking about what another man is interested in. You don't know what the fuck I'm interested in, dude. He says, encouraging new artists to copy others' successes, but then later in the book emphasizes it's important to be original. I never encourage new artists to copy others. Encouraging new artists to copy others' successes. Yeah, you want to copy success. If you're going to copy anything, you better be copying some fucking success. I mean, yeah, they say imitation is the biggest form of flattery. So if you're going to be being imitated, you better be imitating success. If you're not imitating success, what the fuck are you imitating? You stupid motherfucker. Encouraging new artists to copy others' success. Hell yeah, copy other people's success, you dumb motherfucker. What else are you studying? Are you studying dumb motherfuckers? What is this dude talking about? Encouraging. Hell yeah. Copy. If you see somebody successful, you better go ask them what the fuck they're doing. You better copy every fucking thing they're doing. What the fuck is this guy talking about? But then later in the book emphasizes it's important to be original. Yeah, be original, but copy that motherfucker who's successful. There are very few actionable steps in the book. Actionable steps? I can't take action for you, motherfucker. You gotta take action for yourself. The book, I'm telling you, I took action already. My action is in the background. You see my action. There are very few. Everything I said in the book led to me getting this action in the background. You see this action? So I don't know what he's talking about. There are few. I got the action. I just, shit. You know how much I can show you some shit. I got the motherfucking action. There is strategy. Yeah, there's goddamn strategy. And the high level advice. Hell yeah, it's a goddamn high level advice, but very little information on how to proceed in detail. Motherfucker, I can't carry you across the finish line to get your music out there and market it well. Watch my fucking videos. I made goddamn 70 videos. Yeah, man, I don't know. Like I said, you can't make everybody happy, but that's what I got to say about this comment. Make sure you get the book. You can't make everybody happy. Everybody else gave this shit 5 stars, so I don't know where the fuck this guy's coming from. But shout out to David Hearn for buying the book. Everybody has the right to their own opinion, and I respect his bullshit opinion. But yeah, everybody check out the book and just be creative, man. Do what you gotta do to succeed. More videos coming soon. Peace.